Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater, coming at you once again with another episode of Sedaap, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one. It was going to be number 4,000, but I just can't do it. I can't. I gotta have something that's just like bad freaking, yeah, something super cool. So hot and humid here. This is super cool though, and especially because it came from S-Mart in Bellevue, Washington on 1/19th. This is Mi Sedaap Selection Spicy Korean. Yep. Yes, it is. That's what it is, and we're gonna cook it up. So I hope you're prepared. Are you wearing clothing? I hope so. I am. I don't recommend cooking anything in the kitchen like this without wearing at least some amount of clothing, because that could just end up horribly. Don't you think? 3 minutes of time. So we got this. This is supposed to be where all the pain and suffering will come from. Here's some more pain and suffering. Look at that. That looks dark. And then a bunch of powder. So. And as soon as this is done and I've got it all done up, it'll be mukbang time. So. This episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time will be coming out at 1 p.m. instead of the standard 2 p.m. time. It'll come out at 1 p.m. to allow the mukbang to come out at 2 p.m. Check your local listings for details. Actually, just go on YouTube and wait around for an hour. I don't know. Watch old episodes, like, subscribe, go on other people's computers, have them like and subscribe as well. Yeah, it's gonna be, maybe I'm thinking November. Maybe we'll have a Thanksgiving top 10 spiciest list. Wouldn't that be something? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. But in the meantime, let's have a couple quotes from this guy, Momo Fukuando. He invented the instant noodle. Number 87, the power of an enterprise is no more or less the mechanism under which everyone in the company works together to deal with problems that arise. And number 88, the term enterprise is synonymous with creation. An enterprise loses the reason for its existence if it does not have the power to offer new things to the world. Which kind of definitely, you know, Starship Enterprise, 5-year mission, explore new worlds, boom. You know, so. It all comes back to one of two things, ladies and gentlemen. Either Dune, Noodles, or Star Trek. So get a grip and realize that that is just how it is. Okay? You don't mind. But I tell you, don't mind. So that's about that. But yeah, I'm gonna garnish the heck out of this one. Maybe I won't mukbang this one. I think I got time. I can do a nice garnished one, and I can do one that I'm just gonna mukbang. And I think, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how I feel about it. Boy, how do I feel about this? I've been running. Record, you piece of... Oh, you are recording. Okay, sorry about that. Wonderful camera. Wonderful technology. It just likes to do weird stuff. It's like today it's decided to be weird for the first time in like, I'd say almost a month that it's being really weird. Like I turned it on earlier and it was just like, card's bad. Your SD card's bad. Turn it off, turn it on. Nothing wrong with the SD card. Now it just turned off on its own. It's all weird. And this one's weird. This is like bulldog soup, I guess. I really don't know what this is gonna be like. But there's a lot of spicy oil going on in this sucker. I don't know. There's Malaysian ones. There's like daibak. There's daibak, like a stew type one, a kimchi one. I really like what Indonesians do with Indonesian food, but we'll see how this goes. We got this. Okay. I mean, this looks like it's gonna be nice. Look at this. Got that. We're gonna add a couple things in though. I think we are. Here it is. Okay. I got some chicken. But first, we're gonna do some crazy business right over here. Check that out. Watch this. It keeps covering each other up. I don't know what to do. All I know is that my face is gonna burn off now. We'll do a little more. Let's go like this. There you go. Look at that action. I'm pretty, whoa, my eyes are burning now from that. Holy crap. So we got that. I made some chicken. I'm gonna put the chicken in here. There's a piece of chicken. There's a piece of chicken. That's good chicken. There's a piece of chicken. There's a piece of chicken. Add some of this on top to give that chicken a little bit of color. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think I will mukbang this because I mean it's even hotter now that I put the peppers on it. And you know what? Crunchy onion! Gotta do the crunchy onion. I mean it's Indonesian. And it's Korean, so But yeah, you'll get to see this in an hour, or you can just look at the spicy noodle mukbang playlist and search for it. You'll find it, and you'll be on your way, let me tell you. That is looking the part, ladies and gentlemen, that's for sure. A little bit of sesame seed, just to be... Alright, good. Alright. That broth looks unforgiving, too. Let's give this a try. Oh, what about that? Alright, potato. hot one, so I got my prep ready, and yeah, you'll get to watch me plow through this shortly. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.